Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, September 13th, 2023, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm showing you the Dow here. I'm not going to talk about this except to tell you that it opened up a little and ended up closing down at 73 points. What happened to the Dow had nothing to do with what happened to us. I should call this my personal day of infamy, and I'm going to spend some time today talking about that because I think it's very important to understand. And let me start out by showing you four horrible trades we had today, and then I'll go back and talk some more of the implications of this. This first one is all these stocks I'm showing, well, all but one of them have been very good stocks for this. This is UP, which is Wheels Up Experience Incorporated, and this has been a hot stock for us. 2 days ago we bought this midday here. Yesterday it popped up there. We took $4,000 out of it. Then we got re-entered. Yesterday on the close we were up 9,000 on this, and even on the open this morning we're still up 9,000 on it, and then it just crashes. Look at this thing fall, and we lost $8,500 on our hot stock Wheels Up Experience Incorporated. It doesn't end there. Believe me, it doesn't end there. This next one is also one of our hot stocks. It is AAOI, which is Applied Optoelectronics Incorporated. And just a second here, I'm having pop-ups. We bought this yesterday, and it closed a little against us yesterday, but it crashed along with everything else this morning. Everything but the Dow. The Dow didn't crash, but our stocks all crashed. And we got out of this with an another $8,000 loss in AAOI. And then this is the I was actually should be happy that we got out of this. This is HOLO, which is Micro Cloud Hologram Incorporated, and we bought this yesterday. It was pretty much break even on the close yesterday, but it crashed along with everything else. But this crash cost us $20,000 on HOLO. And again, this was a hot stock for us. What was interesting to me, makes me breathe. Look at how this thing fell today. This thing went from almost $12 to $2 today. And just to give you some idea what that would have meant, if we held this to the close, we would have lost close to $100,000 on this stock. Fortunately, we cut our losses at $20,000. That doesn't feel too good, though, I tell you. And finally, the last one I want to show you, and then I'll talk about the implications of some of this, is this is SFWL, which is Shangfang Development Incorporated, LTD or something. I'm probably saying this, but anyway, we bought the high bar yesterday, and that fell apart yesterday, and we got out there, and that cost us $27,000. So anyway, you add that all up, and then there's other stuff too I'm not even showing you. Okay, you add that all up, and we had a net loss today of $73,000. And that is my third worst day trading in over 35 years. some 35 years ago, I had a single day that I lost $85,000. And then, much more recently, in January of 2022, I lost $84,000. So today's loss of $74,000 is my third worst day in over 35 years. Back in January 2022, I stopped trading with that $84,000 loss. But it was a mistake to stop trading. Actually, 2022 ended up a winning year, just as all 10 of my years have been winning, except one. 2018 lost a small amount of money. Other than that, made money all those years. And 2022 was a winning year. I even though I'm not trading with real money, with these after January 2022, I continued to track the system, so I know exactly what I was doing. And then going into 2023, the system kept making money. Even after today's horrible loss, 2023 is still ahead of the game. And I'm just going to throw a couple crazy statistics at you that I have checked out for this little pep talk I'm going to give you. In January of 2021, I made $368,000 in that month, followed by February of 2021, I made $341,000 in a second month. In the same month. 3 times during this 10-year period that I've posted on the website, I have made over $200,000 in a single trade. And in 2020, I made close to 400% of my starting capital in a single year. And why I'm telling you this is that what I learned by this time I stopped trading on January 2022 and kept out of the game for about 15, 16 months or so is don't stop playing the game just because you have a bad day. Because this system does come back. It always has come back. And so even though I lost $73,000 today, I'm not quitting. Absolutely, I'm not quitting. The only way to get that money back is to stay in the game and keep swinging. And even as we sit here right now, 2023, I'm not losing money in 2023. I took a bad hit today. My customers took a bad hit. I'm certain some of them are pretty mad at me. And we got to wonder what kind of stock picks I'm doing. But I'm telling you, if you're going to make money in this game, you've got to be willing to take a hit once in a while. And we took a bad hit today. I just hope that things are going to turn around. And I'm going to be back in the game trading again tomorrow. Same as always. Trader Bob is signing off.